What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. We are actually going to start today by talking about a little package that was sent to me by my buddy Jim. And Jim is a fan of the show. He's come out on the charter boat. He won a giveaway and then sent me back some stuff in the package here that we sent him. So first things first, we got this crazy pencil popper. He said it was the smallest one he had that would fit in the box. And then he sent us this little package here, which has a bunch of sharp stuff in it. So we're gonna slowly. So we got 3 tog jigs, pretty sweet little tog jigs, toe togs. And then he sent me enough hooks to replace the hooks on my bull shad and my Clash. This is the Clash that was repainted by Huey's Bait and Tackle. And this is the bull shad that he also repainted. These are bunker presentations. So we are gonna try and catch striped bass on these darn things. We are gonna be taking these out for striped bass very soon, seeing what we can do with these lures now that we have hooks that can handle a striper, because these, although they are good hooks, these are way stronger. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those. Also today I did a little unboxing the other day from another subscriber of ours, the Fishing Tackle channel, who won wow, you are being really loud, dude. Who won was it the last giveaway? Anyways, Fishing Tackle channel won a giveaway a couple weeks ago, and he actually sent us a care package as well, which was really cool of him, and I did a little unboxing, so let's check that out. Alright guys, so we just got a box in the mail from Kevin Lee, so I'm just gonna unbox it here today. Guys, make sure you go over to the... Did that go right down the middle? Guys, make sure you go over to the giveaway. Make sure you go over to the giveaway and enter the giveaway. The video is linked down below.
I thought my unboxing was bad.
Alright. We got Powerbait Wave Shad. You just sent me some cool stuff. I was not expecting this. Kevin Lee.
Is he the person who won the contest?
I don't know. I can't remember. This is really crazy. This is a weird looking jerkbait kind of thing. It's got fins on it. I've never seen anything like this. Crazy cool. Are you looking it up?
Is the return address?
Yep.
He won one of your contests.
So it looks like Kevin won one of my contests and then decided to send me some cool stuff. I don't even know what he won.
I think it was the mother load. I think he won the big one and you didn't know who he was, and we looked him up. He has his own YouTube channel.
Dope. The tackle, thing.
That's exactly who I think it is.
Kevin, thank you so much. This is dope. This is the alligator bait. Alligator lures are made under the full quality management and stuff.
Of alligators.
Of alligators.
That's alligator.
This is the real shad.
And operated.
These are all like stuff I've never seen. This is a really cool little fluke style bait. The Cream Bait Company. This is another fluke style bait. Love that color. And another fluke style bait. He's trying to say something.
You like fluke?
I gotta use these. I wonder if these would work for fluke.
Wait,
They're not.
bait
They're,
themselves.
they're called a fluke bait for bass. For
Oh.
largemouth.
I was like, wait, what?
Really cool spoon. Another spoon. These are cool. That looks like it'd work in the salt. A little epoxy jig. I bet these would work for albies. Really cool. So 3 of those as well. Wow. That's a fun surprise right there.
You love fishing.
I love fishing. I love surprises. Thank you, Kevin. You are a gentleman and a scholar. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Fish out.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.